All right, today I'm going to show you how to use this Frigidaire stacking washer machine dryer combo right here. This is the washing machine version part of this right here. I'm going to show you how to do this one, and then we're going to go ahead and do the dryer. This is a commercial heavy duty super capacity sound silencer 3.4 motor washing machine dryer combo. Let's go ahead and get started with the washing machine. All right, so with this washing machine, the first thing you want to do is add the detergents and softeners and whatnot, and then add the clothing, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop in a pod. If I use a pod, I want to drop this in the bottom. However, I'm not going to be using a pod. What I'm going to be using is detergent, liquid detergent. So what I do is I go ahead and pour the detergent in first. And it's important that you put the detergent in first and not on top of the clothes. So once I've done that, if you look in the middle right there, that is where the fabric softener goes. So right here, I have Swarvatel fabric softener. I'm gonna pour this into the center. That's where the fabric softener goes. Voila. So once I've added the detergents, I'm not using the pod. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add the clothing. So I have my clothing down here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and then put it in right here. Once I have the clothing in there, now I have to select all of the components going on here for the wash. On the left-hand side is for the dryer. We'll get to that after we've done the washing machine, the neck. But we're gonna go over here on the right. This is where you control for the washing machine. Now there's a lot of settings that you can do. All right, so we'll start with the temperature. You wanna set the right temperature for the type of clothing. You read the back of the clothing, label the clothing, it'll show you what temperature to wash the clothes in. I am going to go ahead and look at this. See, there's hot, cold. That is for the hottest temperature, do believe. Yeah, for the hottest temperature. You have cold, which is for the coldest temperature. So the rinse is cold. The initial wash is cold. For right here, the initial wash is hot, but the rinse is cold. For this, the initial wash is warm, and then the rinse wash is going to be cold. I'm going to set it for warm, cold, okay, with the clothing that I put in there. And then you can select the load size, all right? So you can go from small, medium to large. I'm going to set it in medium. And if you go over here, there are options right here. There is a soak. You have the soak option. You can select that. I'm going to show you how to select it with this knob in a second, but I'm going to go over the controls. So you push this dial in. Okay. No, you push this dial in, and then you select what you want to do. Okay, so I push the dial in, and I'm turning it clockwise. All right, you have the soak. You can set it for the soak, and then it goes to pre-wash. You can put it back to off right here. You have selection right here for whites. You can make a selection for final spin. Now, when you're doing the whites, you have time limits. You can have a long wash, 15, 12, 8, and 4 for the whites. You can go ahead and put it so you can spin it again if you want. And then down here, you have the colors, okay? So you have the colors, you have 12, 8, and 4, and then it goes to final spin before it goes off. And then you have knits and delicates, which it goes for 6 minutes, and then it goes to final spin and then off. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna put it at, I would say, 8 for colors. And then once I find the exact timing that I want, I'm gonna do it for 8, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. And the washing machine is gonna fill with water, and then begin. What did I do? That was just old. So I have that in there. I'm gonna continue the wash, and then after it's washed, I'm gonna show you how to dry. All right, so the clothes are done washing, and so I'm gonna open this up, and the clothes are in there. I'm gonna put these clothes inside of the dryer. Now this is the dryer part of this stack system that I have going right here. The first thing you'll wanna do is clean out the lint filter. If there's any lint, you can get any lint that's down there, go ahead and do it. It looks like that needs to be cleaned pretty well. But for the sake of video, I'm just gonna show you how to clean out this part if that ever gets dirty in there, you're gonna have to get that cleaned out using some sort of tool or professional help. So inside of the dryer, look how it is. It's a very large dryer in there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and take the clothing that I just washed, and I'm going to put all of this inside of the dryer. Take all this out. So once I've put all that in the dryer, one more. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the dryer. Now, once I've done that, I'm gonna go down to the controls, okay? So there's different types of controls on here. I'm gonna go through all the settings. Right here, you have temperatures, okay? So according to the label on your clothing, you're gonna have to select the temperature. It goes from high heat, usually you can do this with whites. You have colors, medium heat. You have delicate, low heat. And you have air fluff with it, which is no heat. I'm gonna go ahead and select this to colors because I have colors in there, all right? So I have that in there. So I have that. We have the starter. We're gonna get that to that last. But I'm gonna go over here and show you the options that I have. Now, there is time dry. Now, sometimes I put it on time dry if I just, I don't know, want it to be timed. It goes all the way up to 70 minutos. A little bit of French for you. And you can go ahead and get it to whatever time that you want, and then you can start, which I'm going to show you momentarily. The next is the press saver. I believe that is close to like a permanent press saver option. You can select this, how much you want, and then you start it. And then down here, you have automatic colors. You have more dry. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. This is a press saver here, automatic whites. I'm clear that up, automatic whites. So you use this for automatic whites. So you have whites in here, and you go ahead and make the selection and you start. Down here, you have automatic colors. You have more dry, you have normal, you have less dry, and then you also have cool down. And this is what it does before it turns off. It cools down before you take the clothes out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right up here to normal. So after I make the selection for the type of cycle for the dryer, I am going to go over here where it says turn to start. And I'm going to turn it to start, and it starts drying. So as simple as that. That is how you use this Frigidaire stacking commercial heavy duty super capacity sound silencer 3.4 horsepower motor washer and dryer combination. That's how you use the dryer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.